Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram messages. Open up the Instagram app. Go into your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Click on Menu from the top right corner. Tap on Your Activity option. Scroll down to information you shared with Instagram. Click on Download Your Information. Tap on the Request Demo button. Select your accounts and profile, then tap on Next. Select the information type as Select Types of Information. Choose the information type as Messages or whatever you want. Then click on Next. Choose the format as HTML. Set the data range to last month. Click to save it. Hit the Submit Request button. Now your request is submitted. Wait for download. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.